This video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here into your HubSpot first, and then head over to the marketing, then locate the called or the button for forms. It's also available on other options right here such as the sales, contents, and the likes. However, if you can find forms right here, you can head over and click onto the search bar and proceed to click on search for form. Should be able to find it right here, so proceed to click on it. Once we're there, next thing we need to do is to head over and create the form. Click on this create form. Choose right here how you want to build your form. Let's head over and choose the legacy form and click on next. After that, you can choose between templates as well as from blank. Let's head over and choose the registration. You can see right here what the template will look like. You can also start from blank if you don't see the template you're looking for right here. Now click on start and it will open the form editor wherein you can add some more fields that you want to add. Once it's there, click on update and you can specifically publish this form and embed it to website if you want. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.